Alright, now we go. Okay. Yeah. I can see the see the snow. I'll show you, look. Pay attention to that. Oh, I gotta arm it again. Oh, see? Wow. I'm not recording nothing yet. Right. But I will. I'm just trying to make sure everything is in operating order. Right. Because I crashed it once. Right. Broke an arm and had to wait for the arm to come back to replace it. Yeah. Time consuming too, man. Yeah. But it's operating, as you see. Alright.
How far can you ever go up?
You can go up pretty far, but you gotta, you know, the airport is right there. You got planes rolling. I don't take it up more than 100 feet.
Oh, alright.
You know. That way I don't have nobody coming over. Because one time I did, and they did come over.
Yeah?
Yeah. FAA.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, from the airport. Yeah, they sent one of their guys. You know, now you can get fined for it.
Oh, wow. I wonder how they knew that was over here.
Oh, no, they got a signal. See, these things emit a signal.
Oh.
You know, 5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz. They emit a, you know, a signal.
Right.
So I try to keep it in line of sight.
Right.
Not too far. Like right now, the way the camera is, see, I'm over the roof line.
Right.
So if I wanted to, I can go over. See, you're not supposed to fly over cars. You know, that's just one car. But I can go over there and look at the roof or over the roof. You know.
Right.
It's guided by GPS too. So, and the wind it's fighting the wind right now.
I see that.
So that's why I don't really want to.
Go nowhere.
Yeah. It'll run away, as they say. And I had a few run away. Some I got back, and others I didn't. But they're cheaper ones.
Right.
So.
What that one run you about?
This one ran like $107 for one battery. Then you can, each time you add a battery on, it's like $30 more. So once you buy the drone, the most expensive part of this thing is the battery.
Right.
I got 3 batteries for this.
Right.
So and they fly for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay.
You know. See now, you see what it's doing? That's called a toilet bowl. That's when it's it's having a hard time getting a GPS signal, and that could be because of the airport. You know, try to stabilize it, but when it starts doing it again, then I know that they're trying to lock in on the signal, make sure that they could down this thing if they have to.
Oh, they try down it.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Taking away the GPS signal, because in GPS mode, once it loses GPS signal, it's going to automatically return home and land.
Right.
So that's what they try to make sure that they can do. Try to lock in on the frequency, make sure that they know how high it is and how low it is and where is it at. You know, see now it's not tolerable, so that means they know the signal.
That's too much for me.
I know. That's the problem with a lot of people when they say they don't want that. You know. All right. Bring it down a little bit. I know y'all heard that little conversation me and Patu had. Right. Have a low battery anyway.